Crypto Bros, this video is going to be a tutorial and review of BYDFI. I'm going to show you step by step how to use BYDFI. And you may already seen it. I reposted it on my Twitter. I partnered with BYDFI, and the reason for it is, look, I'm right now in the US, and I've noticed how hard it is for the people from the US to get into crypto, and BYDFI allows for the people from the US or from the UK to trade with no KYC. And this is something very unique because the regulations has been crazy in the US. So that's the reason there isn't many exchanges that offer no KYC for people from the US or UK. So we're gonna go through it. Before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research. Once again, the partnership is here. There is a link. I'm gonna leave you a link in the description. If you haven't registered on BYDFI yet, you can get different bonuses, several bonuses. I'm gonna show you. If you will use my link, you should see this landing page, and there is 9 more days. If you're watching the video, there's probably 8 more days to get into it. So if you sign up, you get up to 500 for your trading. It's very simple. You get 10% from the amount that you deposit. Here you can see the details. Max bonus is 200 because maximum is 2K. Trade 300,000 USD. This is volume. It doesn't mean that you're gonna trade this amount. It's a volume that you generate. And for that you get additional 100 USD and 500K, additional 200 USD, once again volume. Here are the terms and conditions. There is actually up to 8K deposit rewards if you deposit over 100K, trade over 10 million volume. But I know there isn't many people doing these kind of trades, so once again, link in the description. Check this out. There is my new logo. You can let me know, by the way, what do you think about the logo. I haven't posted it anywhere yet, so I'll appreciate your feedback on it. Now, after registering, you're gonna see this page. Once again, no KYC. You don't need to give them any of your details, but this is only for crypto. So if you plan to do only crypto, there will be no KYC required from you. So the first thing, once again, very easy. Registration is very easy, very simple. Just give them your email, password. Then here you can see the markets, and it's basically spot, perpetual, leverage tokens. There is over 150 trading pairs on derivatives. And look, now if you want to trade on Kraken, if you're a US citizen, if you have a US residency, it's crazy. Like the amount of regulations and information they ask is crazy. I think it's basically way better to use some exchanges that don't ask you these details, because this is the reason why we are in crypto, right? So regarding the withdrawals, there's 0.5 BTC daily, and if you do KYC, there's I think 10 Bitcoin per day. But now let's go once again quickly through the markets. The most important thing and the thing that you're gonna use the most is spot trading probably, or derivatives trading, right? You just gotta go here. Once again, very simple dashboard here. You can see the chart. If you're a complete beginner, I'm gonna probably show you another full video on trading derivatives and trading spot here. This video is just the introduction to the exchange. But like you can see, it's very simple. You just put the market price that you wanna buy. Like you can see, we are going up on Bitcoin right now. Let's say you wanna buy 500 USD of Bitcoin, and let's say you wanna buy the market price. Just basically put here 500 USD, buy, and just like that, you already have 0.011 BTC. If you go into order history, you can see the date per market buy, the average price that you bought with filled, quantity and total. And now let's say you want to sell it. So you basically put the maximum amount, you sell it, and in the order history, you're gonna see the sell. There is a second option for spot, which is limit order. If you're not familiar with it, it's basically a certain level on the price that you want to buy BTC for, or any other trading pair. So let's say you want to buy BTC at 41,600, and let's say you want to buy 0.001 and at the price 41,000, and you're gonna see now it's gonna open it. And if you go into orders, you can see that the price 41,000 is a level. If Bitcoin gets to this price, the position is going to be filled, but I'm going to cancel it right now. Now we're going to go quickly through derivatives. It's basically very simple concept. We're going to go through, let's say, 10x leverage. And now, very important thing, if you are a beginner trader, better start with spot. always start with spot, because derivatives is very risky, especially if you're just starting. After some time with trading spot, you could use potentially 5x leverage just to understand how this works, but this is very risky, once again, only for experienced traders. So let's say you want to open a market price 10x. We've got the 10x isolated and cross. You have the different options. If you're interested on full trading videos on derivatives on BYDFI, let me know in the comments. Right now I'm just gonna show you how I would do it for a test. Take profit and stop loss. Let's say we put 42,500, stop loss 41,500. Now we're gonna go long, price gap 10%, and I can see the position is open now. There's two orders, because one is the take profit and the second is the stop loss. You can see the liquidation price would be $37,000. So if we get to this price, the position would be immediately closed on a loss. But if you get to 42,500, then would be a profit, because there is our take profit. Once again, 10x position, margin ratio is only 3%, P&L and ROE. They offer 200x leverage when on Kraken. There is only a 50x maximum leverage. It is very risky, like 200x, but still, if you're a scalper or if you want to risk it, then there is a possibility to do it. We're gonna close now our position, close all. It's been closed. So just a quick introduction to BYDFI. If you're willing to hear more about it, if you're willing to understand more about derivatives trading, futures trading, let me know. Once again, there is a big bonus in the description if you register. They've got a big following on Twitter, 85,000. I'm gonna leave you a link also to their Twitter and Telegram page. Join their community. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.